Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your RAM 1500 key fob. First, let's identify the problem. If your key fob isn't responding or its range is significantly reduced, a dying battery is often the culprit. Your vehicle might even display a low key fob battery message on the dashboard. Addressing this simple issue can often restore full functionality to your key fob, saving you time and money. The most common fix is replacing the battery. Begin by pressing the small release button on the side of your key fob and pulling out the emergency key. Next, use a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to carefully pry apart the two halves of the fob casing. Inside, you'll find a small coin cell battery. Most RAM 1500 key fobs use a CR2032 battery, but some may use a CR2450. Note its orientation, then gently remove and replace it with a fresh battery, ensuring the positive side faces up. Snap the fob back together and reinsert the emergency key. If a new battery doesn't resolve the issue, reprogramming might be necessary. First, get into your truck and lock the doors with the key fob within 10 seconds. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position while holding the unlock button. Then, simultaneously press and release both the unlock and panic buttons. Immediately follow by pressing and releasing both the unlock and lock buttons. Finally, press the unlock button one last time. This sequence should reprogram your key fob. After attempting these steps, test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. If it still doesn't function, the key fob itself might be damaged, or there could be a more complex electronic issue with your vehicle. In such cases, it's best to consult a certified RAM dealership. They have specialized diagnostic tools and can perform advanced programming or replace a faulty key fob, ensuring your vehicle's security and convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.